Hey everybody, Hunter back again from Showtime Studios. As you can see, we have the body in the spray booth. I've got everything cleaned up. I went ahead and changed my filter. Did a little bit of cleaning on the booth, changed the filter out, actually added some masking tape to the Tamiya paint stand, and it's now the body sitting up on the Tamiya jars that we used before, the empty ones. And we have the hood over here on just another bottle taped to the top of it. And we're going to be doing the clear coat in this tutorial, or in this part of the series, with the one coat lacquer clear from Testers. And it's basically the same procedure as we did with the other spray paints that we've used. I'm actually going to be putting this on a little heavier. It is a lacquer product. It seems like it's real heavy when it's wet, but as it dries, it pulls down. So, and you also want to make sure you have plenty on the surface to be able to wet sand and buff once everything dries out. So we're going to jump right into this. We're going to get the booth turned on, and we're going to get a couple mist coats down on this. And then we'll probably do this in two parts. I'll do the first coat on it, and we're not going to be touching the hood. We're not going to be putting anything else on the hood. This already has one coat on it right now. So we're going to set it to the side, and in the next video, when we do the second and final coat, we'll go back across the hood. So we're going to set that over here. We'll flick the booth on. Can shook up here. And as always, I always aim over here to the side, do a test just to make sure everything's spraying good. And here we go. So like I say, we're going to start out just by doing a mist on everything. And I did have a question come up on one of the videos. I think it was, I can't remember who asked it now. I remember seeing it, but the question came up of when I was spraying, why I only went one direction down the sides of the body. And I always do that. The only time that I'm spraying different directions is if I need to come in like on the cow or anything like that. I will spray a different direction other than going with the body. So basically what I was asked is why I sprayed everything horizontal and nothing vertical. All the sides of my models, the back and the back of it and the front of it, I will spray just like if you're using a real one-to-one gun. You're not, if you're going down the side of a car, you're not turning it up vertical. You never spray vertical on the side of a car. So I'm using a spray can, pretty much the exact way that you would use a one-to-one spray gun. Like when I come across the roof like that, it's just, I'm not changing the direction of the can. And normally when I go in and spray, just about anything, I'm spraying with the body, whether it's on the sides or whether I'm coming across the top like that. So that, hopefully that answers your question on why I do it that way. And there we go. That's the first coat down. This coat is going to match what we have on the hood assembly right now. So when we come back in the next part, we'll go ahead and put the final coat on, and we'll show you how it comes out in the third part. So as always, this is Hunter from Showtime Studios, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.